Hello, Shane Henderson. We're going to do some hip strengthening, but lying on our back. So you will not need anything for under your neck right now, because we're actually going to start with just some glute raises to warm up the glutes. Okay? So on your back, and you're going to ground your feet into the floor and push into your feet without lifting up. And now lift up to contract the glutes. Okay? We're going to raise and lower for 10. And so this is glutes. Your glutes are driving you up. Your ribs, you want to try and keep them heavy on the ground. So I'm not doing like a yoga bridge pose. The ribs are heavy and I'm just working through the glutes. So after you've done that little warm up, we're going to take a block or anything you have. You can put a stack of books. You're going to put it just under your sacrum. So that's just at the lower end of your spine, in through where your pelvis meets. We're going to lift the legs up in the air. Now my hamstrings are tight. It's first thing in the morning. And so it is okay to have your knees bent. Ideally, if your legs can be completely straight, great, but this is more comfortable and that's fine. And what we're going to do is turn the toes out, drop the legs to the side, bring the toes in, and bring the legs together. Okay? Just like that. It's a slow, controlled movement. As you come out, you're working the outer hips, so you're not just dropping your legs out, you're resisting the weight of your legs. You bring your toes together, and then we're working the inner thigh to slowly pull those legs back together, okay? So imagine you're moving through like cement. So there's that added resistance. So you would do 3 sets of 10 with that. Take the block out from under your knees. Now, side of your hips. You may want to put something underneath. Deep into the core. You're going to come up into a tabletop position. Rest the block between your knees. Now, if you feel like this is a lot of like pressure on your lower back, just bring your knees closer in towards you to take away that kind of struggle. The block is between my knees, and I'm just bringing my feet out. So the feet are center line, and then they're coming open. So they're center, they're opening. Not just the feet, the whole lower leg. And this is going to get some of those hip rotators. Just go within your comfortable range of motion. And then for that, I would also do 3 sets of 10 or whatever it is that you're comfortable with. Like if it gets super burny, at 8, then do 3 sets of 8 or 6, whatever works for you. Or add it to 12 or 15. If you find like that's super easy peasy, you can add resistance if you would like to your feet, so that your feet are resisting as they come out. With that, you really want to make sure you're not compensating in other areas of the body, okay? So if you're bracing with your arms, so if I'm trying to bring the legs out, you're working too many compensatory stuff. if you find, like, say, you're starting to lose this control, and that's something that maybe you want to work up to, but it's not right for right now.